That sounds amazing.
Brother, can you let me talk for like 10 seconds, please?
Sure.
I'm buying
One,
a 7 Series.
2,
Where's
3,
10K?
4, 5. Here's the deal. Here's the deal. I can do 9.5 for you. We have a deal, Mazal. Here you go. I take the title. I take care of title. That's it. I get you cash. No checks. No nothing.
Just do 10K, bro. Wallah, I can't go. Wallah. I'm going to send you the car that I'm going to buy. It's a 7 Series, and he dropped it to like 10K. And I need 10K.
I wouldn't talk to you this much, but if I have 500 more, you know?
Yeah, bro, so I told you, and I'm telling you again, and the last time, you can come with 10K, you take the car, you take the title, and
Habibi.
that's it, Habibi. I can, Habibi.
Would I argue for 500, bro? Do you think that's how broke I am? I wouldn't talk to you this much, but if I have 500 more.
No, bro, if you are going to give me $9,500, I will still not be able to buy the goddamn car, bro.
Do you want me to borrow your money?
Borrow me money?
Yo, I'm just like...
We can do the deal, but you don't want to do the deal. You don't want the car. Just say you don't want the car.
I mean, all jokes apart, bro, my best possible would be like 9.5.
Give me a second.
I got you.
Dude, we're about to do all that and pull up in a Tesla Model Y.
No!
Oh my god!
Let's take my Camry. Are you guys in Austin right now?
Yes, bro, I'm in Austin. If you really want to get the car, you need 10K, bro.
Let me go back to you because I'm pretty sure like that's the best I can do. Give me 5 minutes, okay? The thing is, this guy, first thing he told me that M5 have like really fumes and it's tuned up and he's trying to get a reliable Mercedes for his family, bro. Now he's telling me he's gonna get a 2013 M5. So I mean, second thing can be like he's really like desperate, so he's making up excuses like he's gonna see someone in 20 minutes. Because if that car has been posted for like a month, there's no way like he got a deal in like.
Dude,
20
no
minutes.
way he just got that. He's going out of the state tonight, right?
Let's go pee real quick. Fuck this.
Alright guys, so we're with the M5 right now. It has RPI exhaust on it. There's a small dent on the side. The mirrors are off, but that was stated and we knew it was off. Normal tires up here, but Toyo 888's in the back and he wants $9,700 for this. I think we'll take it. After the test drive, if nothing goes wrong, I'm pretty sure we're gonna take it.
So look, I'll drive first. I'll show you how you can drive it and show you the best way to drive this car.
Yeah.
So you don't have no more problems in the future.
Okay.
And after, you can drive it.
Okay.
When you start this car,
Yeah.
you leave the handbrake off, put it in D. But I don't usually drive it in D.
Yeah.
I usually drive it like in a manual style,
yeah.
you know? Like even when I change the gear, I
Let off the gas.
Let off the gas, because you know it's like one
Automated
clutch.
manual,
Yes.
yeah.
You have to know how to drive it though.
Yeah.
Because if you don't know, it's gonna be like a little jerky, you know?
Yeah.
But it's normal.
Right. No, I mean, it's a very unique transmission, I know. It's not an automatic.
But I love it. You know why? Because of the feeling that it gives you. So y'all do YouTube? Can I get a YouTube? Because
Sure,
I
bro.
want to see my car, bro.
Of course, bro.
If you're gonna like do like crazy things with it, I really want that too.
Yo, the pull is crazy, bro.
The thing that I don't like about the tires, you can't drift with them.
They're track tires, bro.
Driver's here.
Congrats, bro. I thought you hadn't even gotten up yet. Holy.
You wanna go in M mode?
What's M mode?
This one.
What does that do?
It gives you 500 horsepower.
Okay, good.
Oh my! I didn't know it feels like that, man. If you wanna hit it, be careful because it's gonna slide. Done deal.
One last walk around before we take it off the lot and start touching it.